Hello everyone, you're welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 2 to power x plus 2 to power x plus 2 to power x. This is equal to 20. So what is the value of x? Now you find that 2 to power x here is common. So let's factor out 2 to power x so that we'll have 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 20. So in this case, we'll have 2 to power x multiplying by 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 3. So this is equal to 20. Let's divide both sides by 3 so that now here we'll have 2 to power x. This is equal to 20 divided by 3. The next step here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So we'll have log 2 to power x. This is equal to log 20 divided by 3. The next step here, log 2 to power, that is log 2 to power x. This is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property, it follows that log 2 to power x becomes x log 2. This is equal to log 20 divided by 3. So in this case, let's divide both sides by log 2 so that now the value of x here is equal to, now this is log 20 divided by 3 divided by log 2. Now log 20 divided by 3, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a minus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, it follows that x here is equal to log 20 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. Now we have x is equal to log 20 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. We can express 20 here as 4 multiplied by 5. So substituting this, then we'll have x is equal to log 4 times 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 here divided by log 2. Next step here, log 4 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, then it follows that x is equal to log 4 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. We can express 4 here as 2 to power 2. So that now here we'll have x is equal to log 2 to power 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. So applying the power rule property here, x is equal to log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. Let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies so that x is equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 3 divided by log 2. The next step here, log 5 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which can be expressed as log a to base b. Applying this property, Then we can express x as 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of x satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x. This should give us a value of 20. Now, since 2 to the power x is common here, so this is the same thing as we factor out 2 to the power x. Then we'll have 1 plus 1 plus 1 here. This is equal to 20, which we express as 2 to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3, and this is equal to 20. So dividing both sides by 3 here, then that 2 to the power x is equal to 20 divided by 3. So let's substitute the value of x and check if 2 to the power x is equal to 20 over 3. So substituting the value of x here, we'll have 2 to the power. Now this is 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 20 divided by 3. Now in this case, we have that 2 to the power 2 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n subtract m, which we can express as a to the power n divided by a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 20 divided by 3. Now you find that here 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 4, multiplied by, now here we have 2 to the power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power log 5 log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 20 divided by 3. So let's check if this is true. Now 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, that is 2 to the power log 5 to base 2. This is actually in the form of, m to the power log a to base m, which is equal to a. Now 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5. So in this case, let's substitute this 5 here. So we'll have 4 multiplied by this 5 divided by, now 2 to the power log 3 to base 2, applying this property, then this is the same thing as 3. And this is equal to 20 divided by 3. So 4 times 5, this is 20 divided by this 3. And this is equal to 20 over 3. So that implies that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that implies that the value of x, which is basically 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.